Welcome you all on Tech Special Information. Our next concept of Perl programming is nested module concept. Okay, so to learn about nested module, first let's look at some important concept. First one is constructor block. Okay, constructor block will we will use constructor block to extract the subroutine. Okay, let's see the structure of constructor block. We have to use the constructor block. It will start with begin. Okay, sub sub, then begin in capital letter, then use exporter. After that, remember these two lines: at the rate isa equals to qw of exporter, then at the rate export equals to qw. Inside qw you have to put the name of the subroutines, which subroutines you want to extract. Okay, I will show you the example. After that, this concept will be clear for you. Now the constructor block, it will be named as sub, then end. Inside that curly bracket you can put a message. Okay, now I'm going to show you the structure of nested module. Suppose at present we are in our home directory. Okay, so inside our home directory we will create a module mod1.pm. And remember this: if you want to, two functions are there to call the subroutines in case of nested module. One is require and another one is use. If you want to use, in case of use, the advantage is that no need to use the package qualifier for calling the subroutine. Okay, so if you want to use that use function, you have to use the .pm extension for the module files. Okay, so inside home directory there will be mod1.pm file, and you have to create another directory inside the home directory. The name of that directory should be same, or, or maybe different also, but here we are taking at same, mod1. Inside the mod1 subdirectory we are creating another file, mod2.pm, and another directory inside that mod1 directory, that is mod2. And inside mod2 directory we will create another file, that is mod3.pm. Okay, now see, here we are taking an example and concentrate on here. Okay, see this: we want to find out the square of a given number. So it will return dollar underscore zero. Dollar underscore zero is the first element which is used inside that subroutine. That star star 2, that means it will find out the square of the given number. And here we are using the constructor block, and here we are using the deconstructor. Okay, and you have to remember this: the package name, you are using the package name as mod1. The package name should be same as the file name. Okay, now come to second module. And the inside second module we will find out the cube of a given number. Okay, and inside that third module we will find out the square root of a given number. All structures are same for mod 1, mod 2 and mod 3. Now we will write this test. This will be another module. Okay, inside module we are calling mod 1, then mod 2. For calling mod 2 you have to use mod 1 then colon colon mod 2, and we are calling mod 3 also. Now we are printing SQU. This is our subroutine name. Inside subroutine we are using 25 as an element. Then we are calling CUB and SQRT. And we have to make a little change, that is for calling mod 2 we have to use here mod 1 double clone mod 2. Here also we have to do the same mod 1. Inside that mod 1 there is mod 2, and inside that mod 2 there is mod 3. Okay, now we will run this code. So at present we are in our home directory, so we will create a file named mod1.pm. Okay, inside mod 1 we are writing the definition for finding the square, and return one we have to use, otherwise it will show the error. Now we will save this, and we have to create another directory. Inside that home directory name we are putting as mod1. Okay, so inside the mod1 we have to create another file, so we are using inside the mod1 we want to create another file named mod2.pm. Okay, so we have written the definition for finding the cube here. Now save. Now we have to create another directory mod1. Inside mod1 we have to create another directory named mod2. Okay, so inside mod2 mod1 slash mod2 we are providing the path. We have to create mod3.pm file. Okay, inside the mod3.pm file we have written the definition for finding the square root. Now save it, and now we will create our test file. Suppose I am giving test.pl. Okay, so inside the test file we have called all the modules, and we have written the we have called the subroutines also. Now run it, and now check it is giving correct answer or not. For test.pl some error is here.